Here comes the next aircraft then. Turning. Okay then, from Athens this one, it's a 9-year-old ATR 72600, operated by Olympic Air. So this is a new aircraft to the channel, of course, with this airline. I've not seen Olympic Air before. And down it goes. So here comes the Jet2 737-800 from, I believe, Leeds, this one. A little bit hard on the landing there, but you can see their brake power there. To stop before the end of that runway. Obviously going to come down here and backtrack, probably quite heavy this one, going back to Bristol. Off goes the EasyJet to Bristol. Oh, you can see the jet blast there from them A321 engines. All that dust. That's why the camera's foggy, by the way. It's not my camera. There we go then into the sunset skies here in Zakynthos. We're going with the Swiss A220. See how this one lands this evening. Fair enough. Fair enough. That's one of the better landings I've seen today. There we go, the Wookiee engines on the A220 there. A howl. Bumpy runway. And up. Here it comes then. So we haven't seen one of these on the channel before either. Seen Sky Express at Heathrow and maybe Gatwick as well, but not their ATRs. You can hear this one from a distance. This one's a little bit higher. It's going to be a hard landing, I reckon. Maybe not. Fair enough. There we go, that one's down as well then. There's another EasyJet that's just pushed back from the stand. Oh. That was not that blasted. Inbound then folks with a 2. My apologies, 737 Max. Here we go, EasyJet off to Naples. There we go with the Wizz Air. Okay folks, had a bit of an issue with the memory card there. It cancelled the filming of the takeoff of that plane, so that's a little bit annoying. But let me just show you this cafe we're in. It's called the Airport Caf, I think. And it overlooks this runway here in Zakynthos, Kalamki. So these here are actually aircraft steps, so they're very steep as you can see. And it's actually a thing that, see the wheels down there, it's kind of built into the ground now though. And then this is where they land when you go that way. So it probably, if you're sitting here, it'll probably be better they're landing that way. Okay then folks, off with the A320 off to Hungary. That was low. That was very low. Must be quite heavy. So a little bit of a different shot here. Rather than them coming over our heads, we've got them down the other end of the runway. With the red nose, might be picking up a little bit of gust from the sea before it gets over land fully. Yeah, crabbing slightly. Here we go. Let's see how the E-Device pilots do. Didn't look too bad. There we go, reverses. Here we go then, and rolling. There's also a Ryanair and Transavia 737 due in shortly. There we go, rotate there. Very nice. Get a bit of a crosswind by the looks of it. So he does look quite heavy, quite a slow climb out. Yeah, you can see the wind's picking up down there. Wing flex. I believe this is a full manual control landing from the point of about 3 miles when you turn on from the terrain. Okay. Sure. Max reverse thrust by the sounds of it. And there we go. Turn off the runway. Here we go then, folks. Oh, there's a lorry, no! God, look at the suspension on that. I feel like for the pilots, landing on that side is a bit harder. I think where you get the drifts off the mountains and also the sea drift as well. But on this side, you just